type in all the words that I am saying right now in this video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what you just saw is known as the voice typing. This is part of the Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard, and you can see as long as you can speak clearly, not being mean to anyone, and you pronounce the words correctly, it is going to pick up just about everything that you say. So to find this feature and turn it on and make use of it, let's go ahead and get started. Once you have your Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard all set and ready to use as you're about to start typing, it's going to pop up like this here. And to make sure it's actually turned on, you want to go to the main settings. So go to the three dots here, then go to settings right there. And from here, go to where it says rich input. And you want to make sure the voice typing is turned on, that option up here to the top. And you can test it out for yourself and see how that works. So go ahead and press here. That's going to allow your keyboard to pop up for you. And once it's all enabled, and some of us, we may be prompt to give it permission to the mic. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and give it permission to the mic. And then you'll see the mic icon here. So go ahead and tap on that one time. And as you do that, you'll notice that it's going to be in blue like this here. And you can see that it is actually picking up just about everything I just said. And for you to complete and stop what you're saying and have it all appear into which you're typing it into, it's just going to press down this button here one time. And now you'll see that everything I just said went in. See how good that was? That's really awesome, right? So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to make use of this feature, save your fingers some time, turn it on like it's up.